Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, that's not. I'm walking back home from the campus as usual. Yep. So I'm gonna tell you about today. Yeah, today's recap. So first thing first, in the morning we had English class. Yep. Yeah. So English class, and in English class there was a test. Yep. It was listening test. So we have to listen to a video or recording. Yep, we have to listen to a recording, like storytelling recording. And after that, the mentor, um, the mentor asked us to go to them, and then they asked us questions about the story. Yeah, about the story content, like to test whether we understand the story or not. Yep. And after that, we will be divided into two groups. Yep. But we're still in process. Yeah, so just like that. And then we have the fit class. As usual, sabak and sabki. But but mm, this morning we just I I only do manzil because my schedule is Tuesday. It's Friday today. Yep. Oh yeah, I forgot to complete my Al Kahfi reciting. Yeah, it's been so busy these days. Yep. I don't even have time to cook. I do have time for cooking, but yeah, it's just like instant foods and like noodles or maybe porridge, instant porridge, and then oatmeals. Then what else? Like breads, like toast, and then yeah, kind of like that. All right, fried rice too. Yeah, just simple recipe. Yeah, because I use my most of my time to learn and doing my assignments. Yep. Hey guys, I think that's all. Bye guys. Maybe we'll continue because yeah, it's already 3 minutes. Okay, bye bye guys.